Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to study multiplication by 2-digit number and 3-digit number. So let's start our class. Okay, so first question is 648 by 27. It's a 3-digit number by 2-digit number. So first we want to write the numbers one below the other. We need to write the digits according to their places. Okay, so here 648 into 27, and we know that in 27 7 is in ones place, so 7 should write below the ones place digit. Then 2 is in tens place, so 2 should write below the tens place digit. Okay, now how we are multiplying is, first we want to multiply this 648 by 7. Okay, so first we want to multiply 648 by 7. Then after that we want to multiply 648 into this 2. Okay, so let's start multiplying. Okay, so here first we are multiplying 648 into 7. Okay, so tell me, what is 7 into 8? 7 into 8 is 56. So in 56 we want to write 6 below the ones place and 5 as carryover above next place. Okay, then after that we want to multiply 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 5 carryover. 28 plus 5 is 33. Okay, 28 plus 5 is 33. In 33, we can write 3 here and 3 as carryover above next place. Okay, then 7 into 6. 7 into 6 is 42. 42 plus 3 carryover is 45. Okay, there is no other numbers here, so we can write 45 here itself. Okay, so it is 45. Okay, so here first we get as 4536 when we multiply 648 into 7. Okay, so we've done that. So after getting this answer, we can cut out this carryover and 7. Okay, otherwise it will make confusion among you. Okay, the next step is we want to multiply 648 into 2. Okay, here 2 is in tens place. So first we want to put 0 below the ones place. Okay, so before start multiplying 648 into 2, the digit in the tens place, we want to put 0 below the ones place. Okay, next we can start multiplying 648 into 2. So first 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. In 16 we want to write 6 below the tens place. 6 below the tens place and 1 as carryover above next place. Okay, then 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 we can write below the next place. Okay, next 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is what? 2 into 6 is 12. So there is no other numbers here. So we can write 12 here itself. Okay, so 12. So we get the answer after multiplying 648 into 2. Okay, then next step is we want to add these two numbers. Okay, we want to add these two numbers. So it is, so what is we want to add? So we want to put this addition symbol plus here. Okay, so what is 6 plus 0? 6 plus 0 is 6. Then what is 3 plus 6? 3 plus 6 is 9. So we can write down 9 here. Then 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. So in 14 we want to write 4 here and 1 as carryover. Okay, next here, what is 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we can write down 7 here. Next, there is no other numbers here, only 1. So we can write down 1. So we get the product as 17,496. Understood, children? Okay, next we can move on to the next question. It is 555 by 145. It is a multiplication of 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Okay, so first we want to write the numbers one below the other, and we should make sure that the digits are written according to their places. Here 555 by 145. So first we have written 555 into 145. So 5 should be written below the ones place, 4 should be written below the tens place, and 1 should written below the hundreds place. Okay, now we can multiply. How? First we want to multiply 555 into 5. Okay, first step. Next we want to multiply 555 into 4, the digit in the tens place. Next, third step is we want to multiply 555 into 1. Okay, so let's start multiplying. So first we are going to multiply 555 into 5. Okay, so what is 5 into 5? 5 into 5 is 25. So in 25 we can write 5 below the ones place and 2 as carryover. Okay, children. Next, 5 into 5. Here also in the tens place we have 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. So in 27 we can write 7 below the tens place and 2 as carryover above next place. Okay, next 5 into 5 in the hundreds place also. Here we have 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. So there is no other numbers here. So we can write 27 here itself. Okay, children. Okay, so after multiplying with this 5, the digit in the ones place, we can cut out this carryovers and 5. Okay, the next step is we want to multiply 555 into the tens place digit here 4. Okay, before that we want to put a 0 below the ones place. Okay, then we can multiply 555 into 4. Okay, so we can start. What is 4 into 5? 4 into 5 is 20. So in 20 we can write 0 below the tens place and 2 as carryover. Okay, next, what is 4 into 5? Again 4 into 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So we can write 2 here and 2 as carryover. Okay, next, what is 4 into 5? Again 4 into 5, it is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. There is no other numbers here. So we can write down 22 here. Okay. Okay, children. Next. So here we done the multiplication of 555 with a 4. Okay. After that we can cut out the carryover and this tens place digit. Okay. So here next we are going to multiply 555 with a 1. Okay. So here 1 is in hundreds place. So before multiplying we want to put 0 below the ones place and below the tens place, and we are start writing from the hundreds place. Okay, so let's start 555 into 1. So first 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is 5. So we can write down below the hundreds place 5. Then next 1 into 5. It is 5. So we can write down below the next place. Again 1 into 5. It is 5. So we can write down below the next place. So we have done. We multiplied with all the 3 digits. Next what? We want to add these 3 numbers. Okay. We want to add these 3 numbers. So from the ones place, here we have 5 plus 0 plus 0. It is 5. So we can write down 5 here. Next here we have 7 plus 0 plus 0. It is 7. Okay. Next here we have 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So in 14 we can write 4 here and 1 as carryover. Okay. Next here the digits are 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So in 10 we can write 0 here and 1 as carryover. Okay. Next here the digits are 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we can write 8 here. Okay. So here we get the product as 80,475. Okay children, understood? Okay, next children, we are going to do the third question. 6,724 by 92. It is a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. So first we want to write the numbers one below the other according to their places. Okay, so 6,724 into 92. So first we are going to multiply this 6,724 into 2. After that, we want to multiply 6,724 into 9. Okay. So, first 2 into 4. What is 2 into 4? It is 8. So, we can write down 8 below the ones place. Next, what is 2 into 2? 2 into 2 is 4. So, we can write down 4 below the tens place. Next, what is 2 into 7? 2 into 7 is 14. So, in 14, we can write 4 below the hundreds place and 1 as carryover. Okay. Next, what is 2 into 6? 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. There is no other numbers here. So, we can write 13 here itself. 1, 3, 13. Okay. After multiplying with this 2, we can cut this carryover and 2. Okay, then what's the next step? Next step, we want to multiply 6,724 with a 9. Before that, we want to put 0 below the ones place. Okay, next we can multiply. What is 9 into 4? 9 into 4 is 36. So, in 36, we want to write 6 below the tens place and 3 as carryover above next place. Okay, then what is 9 into 2? 9 into 2 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Okay, so in 21, we want to write 1 here and 2 as carryover above next place. Okay, then tell me children, what is 9 into 7? 9 into 7 is 63. 63 plus 2 is 65. So in 65, we can write 5 below the next place and 6 as carryover above next place. Okay, then what is 9 into 6? 9 into 6. What is 9 into 6? 9 into 6 is 54 and 54 plus 6 is 60. There is no other numbers here. So we can write 60 here itself. So we can write 60. Okay. Next we want to add these two numbers. Okay. Add. So what is 8 plus 0? 8 plus 0 is 8. Next what is 4 plus 6? 4 plus 6 is 10. So in 10 we can write 0 here and 1 as carryover. Next what is 4 plus 1? It is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So we can write 6 here. Then what is 3 plus 5? It is 8. So we can write down 8 here. Next 1 plus 0, it is 1. Then there is no other number here. So only 6. So we can write down 6 here. Okay. So we get the product as 6,18,608. Understood children? Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.